Totally satisfied with this
Thank
work.
you.
The outcome of the work is very good and it is beautiful.
Especially with the car going to be in outside my parking, right? Correct. So I feel now more relaxed for it to be there.
These guys are crazy, but this fellow is very crazy. Have a good craze about cars and other detailing.
Yes. But a fantastic job.
Thank you so much.
You guys have done a good job.
Thank you so much. We are doing everything. We are doing all my cars.
So the trust is done.
That's what. If I'm going to get one more, as I just told you.
Okay.
You'll with that as well.
Okay.
Satisfied with the car? Really good. The detailing job was really good and the transparency was the key.
Welcome to my channel, and these are my two guys. You have met them. This is Suraj, this is Mr. Kajol, and we have done a graphene coating in these two cars. What is your name, bro? Sauria. So we have done graphene coating on this Thar and as well as in this Seltos. Let me show you the stickers, and you can see the gloss. Wow, I'm rhyming very nicely today. So let's meet the owner of both these cars. Sir, welcome to my channel.
Hi,
So what is your name?
Narendra Reddy.
So sir, बताइए आपको how do you find your two cars now?
They are beautiful. I'm very much satisfied with your job.
Okay.
And this Seltos particular, if you can show this car, this was 3 years old car,
Okay.
which has renewed, we can tell.
But आपने जैसे हमने देखा था that you kept the car for 3 years, वो हमें लग नहीं रहा था. It looked like 3 months.
नहीं, उसी के लिए मैंने इन्वेस्ट भी किया अभी कि मेरे को फॉरएवर न्यू चाहिए करके, और लकीली मेरे को दीपांकर मिल गया.
Thank you so much. And Thar के बारे में कुछ बताइए. How
ये
old
थार,
is the
दिस
Thar?
इज 3 months ओल्ड.
Okay.
एक्चुअली मैंने थार के लिए बुलाया था दीपांकर को, और मैंने दोनों गाड़ी करवाई है इनके पास.
तो
एक्चुअली बुलाया मैंने उनको थार के लिए था. द डील वाज फॉर ओनली थार एंड ही हैज डन अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब एंड द प्राइस वाइज हैट्स ऑफ टू हिम.
तो आपको talking about the price, what do you think? Did you take quotations from anyone or?
Yeah. I had been to so many this thing.
Okay.
But आपके प्राइस और उनमें almost I can tell that I got the pricing for the 1/4 which they are quoting.
1/4. So आपको 3 years का warranty भी मैंने दिया है.
Yeah, this is
So,
3 years warranty for the graphene coat which I have done.
Okay.
And hope so.
नहीं,
3 years
वो
also,
नहीं रहेगा.
and I am sure that after 3 years also this will be like this only.
This is completely a guaranteed product. अगर नहीं है तो मैं हूँ.
बस मैं दीपांकर को उस पर भरोसा कर रहा हूँ.
बिल्कुल ये business completely is based on भरोसा.
Yes.
मतलब विश्वास नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है.
No, I am totally satisfied with this
Thank
work. The outcome of the work is very good and it is beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So आपके feedback के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद sir.
Thank you.
And,
Cheers.
Thank you for coming to my channel also and talking to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank you.
Dীpankar. Yeah, bye.
So we have done a graphene coating in this new Breeza, and let me show you what work is going on right now. So Kajal is here. He's trying to take off the brand sticker, but my sticker is still there. You can see. So let us meet the owner of this Breeza. Sir, welcome to my channel. What is your name?
My name is Shashi.
So Shashi sir, tell us why motor acoustic?
Why motor acoustics? To be honest, I think the price point is one which suits the budget as such. The rest all follows by it, because I have a craze for cars.
Okay.
And do understand much probably almost as same as Dipankar. So I'm also into cars, so I understand taking care of your second wife. It's more important to keep her dressed up.
So what do you feel about the car? Do you feel a little more glossiness than stock?
It is. I mean, to be honest, yes, it is. And since you mentioned that it needs a certain amount of time for healing,
Correct.
I'm sure, given the way that you also need to give heal, and I'm sure 1 week down the lane, let's see how
Yes, of
how
course.
it looks.
What I will suggest you is take a bucket of water and throw it on the car and then see the magic.
Yeah, that's something that you need to experience. Yes.
Yes.
Truly, I look forward to do that, and let's see how. But a fantastic job.
Thank you so much.
You guys have done a good job,
Thank you so much.
and I'm sure I'm also wanting to venture out, looking at how things are.
Okay.
So hopefully, God willing, yes,
So
we will do the.
so ठीक है. So, sir, thank you so much for talking to us, giving us your valuable feedback and time.
You're welcome.
Really appreciate it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. We have done a graphene coating in this new venue, and you can see the car is from Pondicherry, PY, and we have the owner with us here.
Hi guys.
Hi, welcome to my channel, sir.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name is Kaushik.
So Kaushik, first question that I ask everyone, why me?
The first thing is the love of cars that you have, that you naturally radiate in all the conversation that we had. And of course, I can't shy away from the price factor. The price factor is a killing point that you are taking away from the competition. I feel.
So, did you ask anyone about the price? Did you go to anyone?
Yeah.
Or you don't tell me the brand name. Just tell me the figure.
Actually, I have asked not only in Bangalore but even in Pondi.
Okay.
And even without warranty, the minimum cost that I saw was not less than 2730.
Without warranty.
Without warranty, or even with 1 year warranty.
Oh, 27 years.
27.
That is true. How do you find the outlook of the car now? Do you feel a change?
Yes, it feels really shine. The gloss is I can already feel, and I'm excited to for the car to be the same way for the next many years.
So I have told you, right? We use the brand called Taciturn, and this is a complete guaranteed product. That
I actually that was another important point, right? 5 years warranty at this price point, along with an additional glass, whatever the thing that you gave.
Correct.
This is really deal breaker for me.
So I hope you are going to give us some recommendations. Can I expect?
Definitely. At least 2 or 3 from my end.
And I hope if
it might be even from Pondi. You need
that's
to
what I
travel
was
to
about
Pondi.
to tell you, that maybe people from Pondi will come.
Yeah, you can have an travel towards Pondi, nice enjoyment along with your work.
Correct. So let's do a water test now.
Yes, I am eagerly waiting for that.
Yeah. Suraj. So we have Suraj here. So we'll do a water test on the bonnet में गिरा हुआ पानी. So you can see water droplets कैसे गिर रहा है. It's like a marble here. और डालो. So you can see here, guys. So this is how the water flow. What do you have to say?
This was just I was waiting for actually.
So do you think are you satisfied?
Yes. And this is especially with the car going to be in outside my parking, right?
Correct.
So I feel now more relaxed for it to be there.
So do you think it was worth coming to me?
Yes, especially after the hectic travel that I come from HSR to here, right? I feel it's worth it.
Okay. So Kaushik, thank you so much for your feedback.
Thank you
so much.
And for everyone who is watching out here, he's really nice guy. Do have a word with him before finalizing wherever you are going to do.
Thank you so much, Kaushik. Thank you so much. Hi guys, so we have done a graphene coating on this Nexon. Let me show you the stickers. ये आपको भी लगे अच्छा हाँ कि यही है. So this is the sticker. And the car is a little dirty, and the owner will tell you why the car is dirty. So welcome to my channel.
Hi,
So आपका नाम बताइए.
I'm Shyam.
So Shyam ji, tell us why the car is dirty first of all.
So it was like I have done the coating, and so they said that we have to wait for some more days to explore more things.
Correct.
And after 1 week we'll do a rain test and all.
Okay.
It was so I was eagerly waiting for the time to take it out. So I went for a trip.
Where did you go?
I went to Mysore.
Mysore.
Just like that on day before yesterday.
Okay.
And by going, it was really very sunny day, and there are a lot of dust on the way. And we went to some inner places, some vineyards here and there.
Okay.
And while coming back to Bangalore, when I entered the Bangalore, started raining. It was like pouring. One shot.
So, did you feel any difference when it was raining?
Of course. It was like water drops are flying around me. It's not like droplets on my car. It's like just in the windshield also you can see when you brake also the water drops will come down like something falling from the top.
Correct.
It was really nice actually. I can feel the difference before and after coating actually.
So, do you think we are transparent, and are you satisfied?
It's of course because I have done. It's been 1 year. I bought this vehicle. From that time onwards, I am doing a lot of online research.
Okay.
What to coat, how to coat, what will be better, ceramic or graphene or whatever it is. So after all my research, I tracked down to you.
I hope you are satisfied, right?
Yes, of course. I am very much satisfied.
So, tell me one thing, Shyamji. Before getting the service done from me, did you ask any retailers or did you take up pricing from others? What was the difference of the pricing?
Yes, of course. Because as I told you, like I was roaming around Bangalore for a better quote and better service. I just want to, spending 5,000 extra is not a big deal, but it has to be in a proper way. It has to be done. It should be very transparent and see, anybody can see. If you just put a wax polish also,
Correct.
it will become hydrophobic. But that doesn't mean that you are getting the quality of work.
Exactly.
So I definitely have asked some of the big people who are claiming that they are pioneers in coating and waxing all these things.
Okay.
And I done my undercoating from somewhere else also.
Okay.
But I can say like the least coat I have got is around 40% extra from this.
40% extra from this.
Yeah, 40%
So
plus.
40% तो मैंने आपको बचा दिया.
Yeah, of course. No, I'm not going to treat you for that.
No, नहीं चाहिए. You treat your kid and your family with that.
Thank you.
So that is all I want. So shall we do a small water test on this video?
Sure.
Okay, great. We have got this थोड़ा सा पानी. Let's try it out. So दोस्तों आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि 90% of the water.
Yeah, of course. If you are on the road, if you are traveling, it will fall down.
तो आप यहाँ
This
पे
is
देख
a static vehicle, you can see.
how the water is falling. और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं it is like droplets. It's like marble. यहाँ पे देखिए automatically. So this is how the coating works, guys, and of course the gloss will also stay as per warranty. As per warranty I've given. So this is completely a guaranteed product, no issues, absolutely at all. So Shyamji, thank you so much for your feedback. Thank you for talking to us.
Thank you, man. Thank you for the service.
No problem.
And also in my garage with a limited space and all, you have done a good job.
Thank you so much. I hope you are going to give us some recommendations.
Definitely. These guys are crazy, but this fellow is very crazy. Have a good craze about cars and other detailing.
Yes.
So I will suggest
Thank you so much.
this fellow.
Thank you, Shyamji. Thank you for talking to us. So this is the first EV that we have done, and we have done a ceramic coating on this car and not graphene coating. So I'll just show you here. Ceramic coating. And let us meet the owner of this EV. So welcome to my channel. Thank you. What is your name? I am Rajesh. So Breeza ji, बताइए why me? First of all, why Auto Acoustic and why not other retailers?
I really found the feedback were really helpful. I was looking up you guys on Google and YouTube, and all the feedbacks were really positive and also budget friendly. So
did you ask about the budget to any other detailers that you can tell कि कितना आपको मिला था?
yeah, most of them were 10 to 12,000 above your quotation.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was also one of the factor in my decision to go ahead with you guys.
Okay. So do you think, what about the transparency? Are you satisfied with the
Really good. The detailing job was really good, and the transparency was the key. Everything you have done was in front of me. I didn't have to wait for several days. I didn't have to drop my vehicle. You guys came on my home and did this. So thanks to you.
Thank you so much. So Breeza ji, thank you so much for giving us your feedback. This will really help us a lot. Thank you so much.
Guys, so welcome to my channel. So you can see this Isuzu MUX. So we have done a graphene coating on this Isuzu, and which which was around 5 years old car, and let us meet the owner of this Isuzu. So welcome to my channel.
Hi Deepankar.
So what is your name?
Sudhakar.
So sir, same question which I ask everyone, why me?
Just like that we met, and the confidence he gave me, it made me trust you. And I don't have to explain this a lot because this is not the first car you are doing it for me.
Yeah.
This is my third car.
Yeah.
So you can count on me if I buy one more as well. Definitely.
So do you think that we are transparent and
Of course. Process is very transparent, and the boys, they do it with a passion. Your boys, not just you, your boys as well, they do it with passion. And
so what about the? Did you ask anywhere about the quoting of this car anywhere else? I mean, did you take any quotation or any figure that you can give
3 years before I took quotation,
okay.
and it was way higher than what you mentioned.
Okay.
And that was the first time I went to outsider for a quotation. After that, we are doing everything. We are doing all my cars.
So the trust is done.
That's what. If I'm going to get one more, as I just told you.
Okay.
You'll with that as well.
Okay. Which one are you planning?
Probably a BM.
BM.
Yes.
Okay. So SUV or a sedan?
It's going to be X1.
X1.
X1,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So looking forward to get that
Definitely,
car as well.
definitely.
So Sudhakar sir, thank you so much for talking to us.
Pleasure working
giving
with
us
you
your
and
time, giving us your feedback. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
See you all soon.
Thank you.